Hello friends, welcome back to our page Andaman Baby, and today's video is all about cats adoption. So like human being, cat mama also can adopt kittens. Actually this kitten delivered 5 kittens. This cat mom delivered 5 kittens and I rescued her with their babies, with the 5 kittens. One died unfortunately, so she was having 4 kittens. After some days, I found 3 kittens on road and brought them home. First day, she didn't took them, but after 2 days, she used to feed them and lick them, clean them. That's beautiful. Now she is having 7 kittens, and she loves them equally. All of them are playing here. Yeah. Let me bring them out. Who will come out? Meow, meow, meow. Only one. You can see the movement. Two. Oh. Hash. Three. That's 4, 5. And here 2, 6 and 7. Oh wow, that was so cute. Now one is playing with mama. I will catch your tail, mama, anyhow. Mama is moving her tail beautifully. Catch me if you can. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this small video of a mama cat who adopted 3 more kittens and giving love to them. All of them are healthy now and happy too. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Naman Baby and keep loving our cats and us.